Hey there, dude. So once you have built the profiles, I then need you to open up multi-login. Hold on, it's loading. Do 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 do. Voila. Okay, then look for the recommendation account. Start that. Now on the recommendation account, go onto the profiles that you have just set up on LinkedIn. Find them quickly. Um, So every time you go on the recommendation account, in fact, the first thing you do is just go like two random posts. Okay? It's like that and that. Then go to the account. So let's just say it's Cassan's, for example. Or you probably heard that. Anyway, and then once you've done that, connect to the accounts. Then go back to the accounts on multi-login, open them up, accept the connection. Right? Now, once you have accepted the connection, then go onto this account, this Amelia Turner account, the recommendation account, and write them a recommendation, right? Now, once you've written them a recommendation, go back to the other account and accept the recommendation, right? And then write one back to this account, right? Amelia Turner, and accept it on this account. So basically, this account here and the accounts that you have just set up need to recommend each other and you need to accept it on both the accounts. So this one and all the others. So they all recommend each other, if that makes sense. And also endorse as well, please. Super important. Always make sure to endorse as well. Thank you. Cheers. Bye bye.